Croatia I Wythnos. This week had FMQ's questions about Iran, Stage 3 consideration of the Building Safety Wales Bill and BSL Bill, as well as the appointment of the new Auditor General and the Reform and Welsh Conservatives manifesto launches. In the Senedd this week, questions to the First Minister were dominated by Iran. Both the leader of the Welsh Conservatives and the leader of Plaid Cymru focused their questions on the ongoing conflict and its impact on Welsh nationals. The First Minister emphasised the need for peace and stability, whilst highlighting Wales's support for humanitarian efforts. Members passed Stage 3 proceedings of the Building Safety Wales Bill, voting on amendments that included technical changes, stronger consultation duties with councils, new remediation powers and leaseholder protections, flexibility on fire risk assessment deadlines, greater resident engagement and information rights, and requirements for progress reporting on both remediation and the Act's implementation. On Wednesday, Catherine Jones was nominated as the new Auditor General for Wales, and the British Sign Language Wales Bill underwent Stage 3 proceedings, where the Senedd agreed amendments to strengthen the BSL advisor role, workforce planning, data collection, and ongoing involvement of BSL signers, whilst rejecting proposals to put complaints guidance on the face of the bill. It's been a busy week for manifesto launches, with both the Welsh Conservatives and Reform UK launching their manifestos this week. The Welsh Conservatives committed to a 1p cut in the basic rate of income tax and refunding tuition fees for some subjects, whilst Reform UK issued their support for scrapping net zero targets and introducing a 10-year cancer survival plan. This weekend, the Welsh Liberal Democrats are holding their spring conference in Cardiff. Expect more on this in the coming days, and next week's plenary to host questions to the Cabinet Secretary for Finance and Welsh Language and questions to the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs. That's all from us this week at Camlas. Hwyl am y tro!